back to Tea Family Cooking Show. Today, I will be making the famous chicken tikka masala, which is the Indian style curry dish originated and very popular in the UK. It's the dish me and my husband love so much. He fell in love with it and learned how to make it while he was living in the UK, and I did since the first time he cooked it for me. It is a creamy, gorgeous dish with layers of flavors that everyone will love. So let me show you how to make it our way. Step 1 is marinating the chicken. Traditionally, people use chicken breast for this dish, but I will also use the other parts of the chicken because why not, right? So season with salt, turmeric powder, some yogurt. If the yogurt you're using is too sour, put in just a little. Otherwise, the sourness will take over the dish. Then bring them together nicely and set aside. But marinating process is not yet finished. We need to add a few more ingredients. In a small bowl, I will put some diced onion, pounded garlics, chili powder, turmeric powder, coriander powder, and garam masala. Heat up some butter and add those melted butter into the same bowl with the spices and mix well. Then add them into the chicken bowl and bring them together. After that, just let it rest for at least 30 minutes or overnight if you could for a better result. Now let's make the sauce to use later. Into the blender, I will add diced onions, pounded garlic, diced tomato, salt to taste, tiny bit of water, roughly chopped coriander leaf as well as stems, and blend them until they are well smooth. Then set aside. Great! Now it's time to grill the marinated chicken. I will reuse the same pan we used to melt the batter earlier, cause the greasier pan means yummier result. So grill them until you get the nice color on both sides. It will take about 5 minutes on each side. You can get this done on the grill as well, but it's totally fine to do it on the non-stick pan like this. Okay, I think we got the color we want, so step them aside for now and let's start cooking the curry. Boil in your wok or pot or whatever you are using. Saute some diced onion and garlic. Add some turmeric powder, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala, and mix them really well. Add some diced tomato and stir until they are soft. Salt to taste and bring them together again. Now they are soft and caramelized a bit, so I will add some water and deglaze the wok. I will also add some leftover marinades we used earlier, stir, and add the sauce we made earlier. Add some water and simmer for at least 10 minutes. Now it's time to add the grilled chicken, dry red chilies, cream, and let it reduce a bit. And done! Rich, beautiful chicken tikka masala, so nice, so delish, and you can get it done fairly easy and quickly. So give it a go, okay? Alright, that's it for today guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't. Do take care. Bye!